I'm Janice. I'm a sewer and the founder of Measuring to Fit. And today I'm teaching you to make the gift bags that has a boxed bottom. Looks like this. Okay, the bottom is boxed, what we call boxed, and has a broader base so that you can it can stands better, and also easier to put your things instead of it being too soft. So because we are making a boxed bottom bag, gift bag, I'm choosing to use my material, not a fabric, because if you use a fabric to make this, you will have to have interfacing to firm up the feel of the fabric, right? So instead of using fabric because it's soft, I want the firmer feel for it. So I'm using once again felt, because felt is firmer and it gives shape. So I'm using felt. This felt is the polyester felt, so it's firmer, not the soft kind of felt, right? So for this project, you will just need 2 pieces of rectangular felt, right? And the size is entirely up to you depending on what is the size of your gift. So for mine today, I'm making this width is 10 and this is 12. The height of the bag is 12, and then the width is 10 inches, okay? But for you, I think it's entirely up to you what you want to, what size you want, right? Now, before we begin, this is the time. Now, if you want to decorate your bag, so like this one that I made, right? I had the heart shapes on it. So before you actually start sewing, you should design your design. I think you can be very creative, right? You can also like cut out a letter and then sew it on already. I like to use felt to do this because felt doesn't fray, so you don't have any problem with fraying sides, right? So then if you want to have designs on your bag, you have to do it before you start sewing. So you can have this, you can make even stars, sorry, not this stars, this heart. I've been talking about stars so much, I keep on saying star. So you can have a heart shape and put some shiny bling bling on it as you like. Or you can even make some felt flowers with a button in the middle and then arrange it as you like, right? So this is the material you will need. And the other thing that I would recommend using is just use a cardboard. I'm here recycling a cardboard. I measure it 1.5 and 1.5 inch, so that's easy. I don't keep on having to, this like a template for me, right? So over your two pieces of felt, let's start doing. Okay, what do you do first is that once you cut out your felt pieces, or even if let's say you buy your A4 size, you can just use your A4 size as you like it. So this will be your top part, this is the bottom of your bag. So at the bottom of your bag, what you need to do is trace around it, okay, and draw the square with a pen. So just draw around the bottom of your felt. Where you draw, okay, where you draw will be the inside, the wrong side, so to say, because outside we don't want our pen marks to be seen. So we draw. And then what we do after we draw out this square is we cut out. Here you notice that I'm choosing to use 2 different color felt because then I want my bag, when it turns over, it has a different color on the top. You will see when I finish. So this is the difference that I am making from the blue bag earlier on. See, the blue bag, the top here, it is also blue. So when I have two different colors, my top will be different, right? So that's why instead of using just same color, I choose to use two different color to make the bag. So after I have cut out, what I do is I align them together, right? And what you need to do is sew here, sew both the sides, and sew the bottom here, this line. Sew both the sides and the bottom, this line. After you have sewn, it will look like this, right? Can you see? It's sewn together. Once it's sewn together, so here, where you have cut out the bottom, you will see that it is open, right? There's a hole. So you need to bring them together like this. Align. So because they are different color, they are even easier to see. So align them together like this and sew. Right? Align and sew. Similarly to the other side. Press them out. So it was like that. Right? So open it up and press them out. Bring the two seams together. Align them and sew one line across. After you have sewn, it will look like this. Right? One line sewn across both sides. Okay? Basically, the bag is done. When you turn it over, that was the inside. Turn it over in the right side out, and you will have a bag that has a boxed bottom. And these bags are reusable, so that's why I like. Right? So that's your bag.